Hi everyone, I will show you how to make your Twitter account into a business account. First of all, open your Twitter app, then tap your profile picture and scroll down. Now you need to tap the professional tools, then tap the Twitter for professional options and tap the agree, and you need to add a description here, then tap next, and you need to select any category, then tap next, tap to a business, then tap next. Now, if you want to change your any profile, tap to customize your profile. Now, if you want to change it in your profile, then change it and tap to save on the top right. Now your Twitter become to a business account. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.